Welcome y'all back to Wecreat Designs. I'm your host, Foster Bird. We're going to try something today on our Wecreat machine that's standing behind us. I got these from Dollar Tree. They're mirrors. What I want to see is, can we engrave on these with the Wecreat machine, 20-watt laser, and make money with it? So that's our goal for today. So let's get started.
This is raw rap track.
Okay, we are in the Wecreat laser machine software. So I got two images loaded up right here. I got a gamecock and I got a Clemson Tiger paw. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna engrave on them. On my settings that I use, let's go to material. Let's hit refresh. So the laser will go and refresh. Hit autofocus. So what the laser is doing now, I'm gonna take you over there. The laser is going down to focus on what I have in the inside. Them the mirrors I got from Dollar Tree. So the laser getting ready. It's lowered. Let's go back over here to the software. Okay. All right, what I want to do now, I want to go to my material. And when I do mirrors, I like to put my power at 100%. I like to put my speed at 200. And I like to put my line density at 100. And you got the option to engrave or field engrave. And what we're gonna do is field engrave. So now, all I gotta do is hit start. It's gonna load up to show you what it's gonna look like, how it's gonna engrave. That's what it's gonna look like. And it said it's gonna take 12 minutes and 34 seconds. So I'm gonna send it to the machine. Now you gotta go over to the machine and hit this button here. So once you hit this button here, it'll start. So let me get the camera good angle. So while it's doing that, trying to get you a good angle. So I hit start. And I got these from Dollar Tree. There was $1.25. And one thing I meant to tell y'all when we get ready to do this, make sure you mirror your image. Okay, it's finishing up. And when it finished, the machine raises back up itself and it goes over to the side. So I'll wait till the fan turn off. It took exactly 12 minutes to do. So once the fan turn off, we'll look at the project. Okay, the fan turned off. We open the lid. We look down at it and everything look good. So what I like to do next, let's take one out at a time. But let's turn it over and see. Look at that. Dollar Tree mirrors that we engraved. But we're not finished yet. What I like to do is take Windex, spray on the back of it to get all the dust off. You see all the dirt that's on there? And there's your mirror. It will work. You see it right there. Let's go get the other one. It still got a little dirt on it. We'll take the dirt off. Spray with some Windex. Wipe it off. And there you have it. And I'm going to tell you another trick that you can do. Because you can paint the back side of this so the color show through. I'm going to get some black paper here. And if you put this black paper behind it, or if you paint it black, it'll show up black. But it's just on the top, you see? If you wipe it off, it disappeared. You see it right here too? You can wipe all that smeared off on the front of the mirror and it turns out perfect. So the question is, can we do Dollar Tree mirrors? Yes. On your 20-watt Wecreat laser, you can do that. How much will I sell these for? I paid $1.25. It took 12 minutes to do. I think I'll sell them for $10 a piece. I thank y'all again for joining us on Wecreat Designs. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We got more videos to come. Thank you again. Go like our Facebook page called 3D Wecreat and 3D Printing for Beginners. Go join us now on Facebook to learn how to do stuff like this.